So let me start the recording. It's on. Fine. Now, what we will see today. So we have seen exactly what do you mean by class. We have seen exactly what do you mean by class. What do you mean by object and other things. Whatever required to the classes and object, like object oriented principles. Those things we have seen. Okay. Now today we will see something related to date class. First we will see string class, date class and math class. So these are predefined things available in JS that we will see. So here I can say app01.ts. What do you mean by string? Can you tell me? What do you mean by string?
Set of characters.
Correct. So here we can define the string sequence of the characters. str is equals to abc. This we have seen,
Yes.
right?
Hmm.
Also we have seen how to define string const str2 in backticks, right? abc. Then const str3. Now this is something called as, you can do new string. Now you know what do you mean by object, you know what do you mean by class. So here you created the string object and here you pass the abc, and this thing comes with a lot of operations, even these two also. So internally they behave same like this object, they behave like object only. So str3 dot length. So if you want to get the length of the string, you can say length is this, correct? Then here you can say str dot char at, you can give a number 2 and you can give a character. I will use str2. So you will see that both are working at same. Char at, here you can say char at 2 and dot dot cd day 27 tsc app01.ts and node app01.js. Can you see at the 012 what it is returning? Char at 2 is c.
Okay, it also start from 0.
Yeah, it also start from 0, correct. Now what I wanted to do, str2 dot char at slice. What is that? Slice. You can start, you can, okay, let's have str2 abc. Let's add a few details. Okay, slice from third character or sixth character. So you will get sliced string. I think we have seen this thing.
Yes, slice, we check in.
Correct. Same thing over here. Can you see? After this t, 0, 0, 1. Sorry, this is 0. A is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the t, whatever you get over here, all the things you will see. Well, slice is having another number as well. Slice and end number. The index to the beginning of the specified position of the string and returns the selection of the string. Index to the beginning, this start, and here I can say, so let's start from same 6 and go till next 3 and see now what it will return. Yeah, slice. This is 1, this is 2. Got it. So here we can say 8. What's happening? str2 in the index of the specified portion of the string object. The substring includes the characters up to, but not including. Why it is not working? str2. This is str2. The index to the beginning of the specified portion and the index to the end of the specified portion. The substring includes the characters up to. Just make 2 characters. It is not printing actually anything. So if I okay, I making any mistake over here?
Step 2 is correct. Yes. You can start with ABC 0 to 3, something like 0 to 3.
Okay, just a minute. What's the mistake I'm making? 6 and 4.
It starts from 6
Correct.
and 4 characters. It should be from T to the. You can give some another numbers like 0 to 3. Start from 0.
Got it. What's the reason? Now if I do something like this, yeah, see here. So I was giving position before 6, right? So 4 means what? So 6 is here. So it cannot give you something like that. So here I need to
Second parameter is also indexed.
yes, end index.
Not the number of that.
No. It's not a number of char. Did I say number of char? If I said that, that's wrong. The index of the end. Can you see the index of the specified end of the specified portion? The substring includes the characters up to, but not including 10th. So up to the 10, but 10th won't be there. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is about so this is about what you can say slice. Now console.log str2 dot replace. See, there are a lot of methods like this. Includes, last index of, local, match, normalize, concat, add end, repeat, search, starts with substring. Okay, let's do substring. Now start a zero based index. Here you can say start with sixth, and see now what will happen. Substring. This is the interviewer's favorite question. Difference between slice and substring. And node. And can you see, you'll get a same output, right? Now if I sixth comma 10, same like that, substring 1, substring 2. Yeah, now if you can see here,
So there is no difference.
there is no difference. So no, there is a difference. So str2 dot substring 6, str2 dot, just a minute, slice.
We get the same.
Yeah, output is same, but there is a one difference. I'll tell you. Now if you go to the documentation, see here, start a zero based index number indicating the beginning of the substring. A zero, if you see here, zero based index number indicating the end of the substring. The substring includes the characters up to but not including the character indicated by the end. If end is omitted, right? If end is omitted, the characters start from the length of the string. It will consider, see, the characters from the start through the end of the original string are written. Now, while both slice and substring methods extract the same parts of the string, they are subtle differences in their behavior, particularly when you're dealing with the negative indexes. When you are dealing with what? Negative indexes. Now here, a slice treats the negative indexes as if they were 0. Substring treats the negative indexes as 0 as well. Now we are going to see that. Now when behavior when start index is greater than the end index, slice returns the empty string. Yeah, I was doing this thing in the beginning. See now. So let's copy this and paste this. Slice 6 and 3. Okay, substring 6 and 3. So this is slice, and here I can say start st is greater than ed. Here also st is greater than ed. Now see here what happens. Now can you see here, slice it returns empty string. Difference. And can you tell me what is happening in this case?
Reverse order.
Yeah, it is swapping the arguments. So this becomes this becomes this. Substring swaps the argument before extraction, resulting a valid substring. But here empty. And here swaps. Indices. Correct? So for the basic extractions with the positive indices, both methods generally produce the same output. While dealing with the negative indices or the start indices, start index is greater than the end index. Understand their specific behavior for these things. In most of the cases, slice is more preferable due to intuitive high handling of the edge cases and the consistency with the negative indices. Okay. As mentioned earlier, slice is more convenient to use everywhere. Now, let's go ahead and console.log str2 dot substring -1. Okay, and str2 dot and slice. Here I can add. Are you getting this? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Negative indices. No, sorry. tsc app01.ts node app01.js. See, after the negative, here you are getting k. Now k means what? This k means what? Or let's reduce the string a b c d e f g. Okay, yeah. Now if you see, negative means what? Negative is representing the end, while substring behaves differently. Substrings behaves differently. If you see -1, it is giving you full thing. Let's increment -2. Here also -2. Yeah. Now can you see fg? -2 means what? fg. Hello?
Yes, yes. Last two.
Correct. Now,
Characters.
now,
But what about the string?
yeah, we'll see that. Although the substring doesn't explicitly allow the negative indices either. If you provide 1, it will treat as 0. And that's why whenever you are showing the negative, passing the negative indices, it is starting from the 0.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay. Any negative value.
Any negative value. Correct. But slice has more convenient feature. Now, -2 and 1. Okay, I will not add over there. Let's copy this. -2 and 1. tsc node. Now if you see, there is an empty string. Can you see here? There is what? Empty string. Means if you remember the earlier case, it doesn't swaps. Substring swaps if start index is greater than end index. But this is not the valid case. So -1 represents what? End of the string. So if you say -2 -1, f you are getting -2 -1. You are getting this f. So slice is more convenient over the substring. Substring you will use when you have a straight things. Substring you will use when you have what? Straight. Data is in straight format. But if you want to play with the data, you need to, what you need to do? You need to use slice.
Can you explain last line minus 2 minus 1?
Yeah, any question?
So, in case of slice with minus value, last in reverse order, minus 1 will be the last character of the string, right?
Okay, yeah, -1 is the last. -1 is the last. Is it clear or not?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, let's move ahead. So I will create a new file, app02.ts. Now, now, just a minute. Okay. Now, the next thing is about, let us see anything is remaining related to this str2.concat. Not a big deal, right? Hello? Console.log.
Yes.
Concatenation, there is a function.
Yes.
Concat.
One is not string.
Yeah. And here you can say str2.concat space abc or arrow abc. And here you will see, yeah, can you see after this abc have been added, concatenated.
Can concat two variables?
Two as in
Two variables.
dot concat, again /pqr. If you want
No,
to,
not like that. Means string 2 and string 1 like that.
over here,
Means another example, not with APC. See, here you added hard-coded, hard-coded string, right? Instead of that, suppose you want to concat two different strings, two different variables.
like this str1 and str3, right?
Correct.
Let's add str1 comma str3. That is also possible. Str3. Yeah, now say str3 is a object.
Hmm.
So that won't happen. But here That is possible. str1, with the str1 you can do that. Again, something abc have been added at the end, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay, any other method related to this? There are a lot of methods, right? There are a lot of methods available. Includes, index of, you can get particular character. Includes, which will check particular character is included or particular substring is there in the given string or not, right? Last index of given something string. Normalize, match all, pad all, repeat, slice, split. Okay, let us see the split. str1 dot split. So okay, let's create new file. Const, I have something like this. Str is equals to like this: a comma b comma c comma d comma e, a comma separated string. Now I want to split this string into an array, arr, because this is a string and I want this into the separate array. str1 dot split, and delimiter you can say this, and console.log arr. Now if you see 02.ts, node 02.js, can you see whole string is getting converted to the array. You don't need to write a single line of code over there. You don't need to write a single line of code over there. Got it?
Yes. Here the strings are always in trim form, or do we need to trim sometimes too?
Yeah, you can trim, no problem.
Trim function is also
Yeah,
there?
trim function is also there. str1 dot trim. Can you see? You can trim at the end, you can trim at the start, or you can just trim.
And just search for some other functions. I see something different
Which
in
function?
this. I don't remember. Can you search into the function list?
Includes.
I mean,
Here you can say a
yeah,
b c
include.
e f g h I j k, and I can say str2 dot includes. If you want to see gh is there or not, console.log gh is there or not, it will either return true or false. Why is there error? Am I making any mistake? Returns true if a searching appears as a substring. Yeah, I'm passing correct. Just do one thing, let's delete all the generated JS files. app02 dot date 27 tsc app02 dot ts. The property includes does not exist on the type. Okay, let's create a string in this way, new string, and then includes gh. str of type string, this is also of type string, then Any mistake? str2, str2, str1. str2. Just write it in the scope. With the str2 there is some problem.
Right.
String is not assignable to types. Even this is not required. Do you want to change target library? Try the changing lib to the compiler. Yes. 205 or later. Oh, I got it. Okay. Strings, JavaScript, MDN. And there are the methods. I would like to show you this part. It is good that we encountered this error. Includes. Okay. Now, whenever you get some errors like this, so here you can say the includes methods of the string, a case sensitive search to determine whether a given string may be found within the string or not, and it returns true or false. Now, specifications, if you see this thing, ECMA script language specification, just open this thing. I wanted to show you this part. Now, properties of the string. Now, this is a, if you see this documentation, okay, let's do it in other way. Target ES6. Yeah, see now it is returning true. Now in earlier case, if you see str2 dot includes, just remove this target. Yeah, see this. So the method include, can you see that? Is available in after ES6.
Okay.
Right? And that's why that is the error. I wanted to show you this exactly under the specification, ECMA script language specification. This includes, if you see which browsers are supporting. Just a minute. Well, for the method you get exact. Yeah. So, but one thing I know over here, that this method is definitely added in a ES6. And that's why even here you are getting the error. If you look at this thing, if you try to run it without setting the target, you get an error, right? Why, can you tell me, without setting the target? Because if you don't set the target, by default it consider as ES 2000, ES 14. You getting my point or not?
Yes, yes.
And in that specification, include method is not there. You need to write your own implementation of the includes. You need to write your own implementation of the includes in earlier things.
So here
Mm-hmm.
ES2015 means
ES6.
and before that ES5 means
ES 2014. You got it, right?
yes.
Anything related to this? Now, see, this is what you were asking, search works or not. Was this your question? Now, you need to set the target to ES6 and then you need to run it. Can you see it is returning true? Because GH is available inside this string. Can you see? Okay,
Yes.
str2 dot. Now, a lot of methods are there, but specifically, I would like to cover the regular expressions. Specifically, I would like to cover what? Regular expressions. Let us see that under the strings, regular expressions. What do you mean by regular expressions? Can you please tell me? How do you define the regular expressions?
Please explain.
Yeah. So regular expressions often abbreviated as regex or regexp are the powerful tool for the pattern matching and the manipulation of the text data. For example, this string you need to identify. Let me create new file first. app03.ts const email, and this is valid email. We know the email validation, right? We know what kind of emails are valid. So this is the valid email. This is invalid email. em2. This is invalid email. And you need to write a program to validate this email. How do you write that? You need to check em1, em2 are valid or not. How do you do that? In your general programming language or whatever programming language you are using now, how do you do this thing?
So we will search the special symbols like at the rate dot com. I mean dot.
Uh-huh. And then
Because instead of com, there may be
another thing, correct?
Yeah.
So if I write something like this, then at ff, is it valid?
No.
So how do you check these things? If I ask you to write a program to check a given string is valid, is having valid email or not. So how do you do that? So this can be done in any programming language with the help of something called as regular expressions. Right? Regular expressions are widely used in various programming languages, including the JS, for the tasks such as validating inputs. searching and replacing the substrings, extracting the specific information from the text. Right?
Okay.
So let us see what do you mean by literals. The regular expression can consist of the literal characters, something like this. So here if I write const rg1 is equals to hello, this thing is called as literal. A regular expression can consist of the literal characters which match themselves in the text. For example, a regular expression hello will match the string hello. Can you see? Forward slash hello, forward slash this hello. So this will match the string. Now, meta characters. Meta characters are the special characters in the regular expressions that have the specific meaning. Some common meta characters include dot. Dot means what? Matches any single character except a new line. Then caret matches the beginning of the string. We are going to see this practically. Dollar matches the end of the string. Matches the zero or more occurrences, that is the star, for preceding character or a group. Matches one or more occurrence of the preceding character or group. Question mark matches zero or more occurrences for the preceding character or group. And escapes a meta character, allowing to be treated as a literal character. Okay. Now character classes. So if you do something like this, character classes allows you to match one or the set of the characters. For example, AEIOU matches any vowels. If you want to match any vowels, you can have something like this. Quantifiers specify the number of occurrences of the preceding character or group. Quantifiers specify number of occurrences of the preceding character or group. If you see something like this, A in the bracket 3, curly braces 3, matches exactly 3 occurrences. Alternation is represented by, you can say, a pipe symbol that allows you to match either one pattern or another. Grouping and capturing, parentheses, right, are used for grouping the character expressions. They also allow you to capture match data. We will see that. Okay. Now, just a minute. Now, so here, okay, this is fine. Const msg1 is equals to the quick is read. I can have something like this. The quick is read. Now const rg2 is equals to quick, and console.log here rg2 dot test rg2 dot test msg1. Msg what? app03 and node app03 dot js. Can you see this contains quick, right? This is containing the quick, and that's why it is returning true. Similarly, const msg2 is equals to abc123 and const rg3 regex 3 backward slash this d plus, and again this completion of the literal, and then here you can say console dot log rg2 dot test msg2.
RG3.
Yeah, rg3, correct. Sorry. Yeah, true, true. Now what is this abc123? We are checking are there any digits inside string or not.
D4 digit.
Yes, we are checking what digits
Okay.
inside that string are available or not. Correct? The string contains digits or not.
Yeah. So
If I
I
remove,
understand this is specific like digits, but in earlier example, like quick,
uh-huh,
so it is just a simple
quick, this quick,
string, right?
yeah,
So we can use another string function as well. I
where,
mean, suppose, I mean, if you want to search in MSG, quick
uh-huh,
MSG1,
uh-huh,
so there might be some string
huh,
function also.
is right like this. You're saying something like this.
No, I mean, I understand about the digits, like this is the regular expression, this is something new. But in line number 7 and 9, on that case, you can directly search the quick string as well. Directly using
Includes
quick
function
functions.
using built-in,
Includes.
yeah, you can use that, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
But same thing you can do by means of the regular expression also,
Okay.
right?
Right.
Okay, now we will take example of each of these.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so first checking this, let's create new file app04 dot. Yes, I'll be back in a minute, just give me a minute. Okay, so here first I would like to do these activities. Check the string is containing vowel or not. Vowel or not. Match 3A's in a given string. Check if given string is cat or a dog. Right? Check a given string is cat or dog. And okay, let's do these things first. So here, given string is vowel or not. Const txt1 is equals to abc. Then const rg1 is equals to, sorry, aeiou, aeiou. See this, aeiou. So here we are using, if you see here, we are using character classes. Can you see that? It is nothing but the example of this aeiou. And then test console.log rg1 dot test txt1. Let's clear it. No. 04.ts node app04.js. Can you see true? This is the vowel. And now so it is nothing but what? The vowel. Just a minute. Hello?
Yes.
So just a minute, why it is returning true?
Because A is there, no?
But still,
It searches each character, right?
yeah, just a minute. Yeah. So this is containing this ABC. We can do in other way also. It should start with this AEIOU. We can do that part as well, right? But presently it is just searching the string is containing AEIOU or not, and it is containing, right? Now quantifiers example. Quantifiers example. This is a quantifiers example. So here match 3 is in a given string. So const txt2 is equals to some string, something like this, not like this. This is my string. Now I want to match 3 strings. rg2 is equals to a3 console.log. Here you can say rg2 dot test, and here txt2. Now if you run this project, true, this contains these 3 A's. If you just make it 2 A's here, and it is false. It is not consisting of consecutive 3 A's.
Okay, what about 4?
No problem. Still it is 3 A's, right?
Okay, and not consecutive?
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
See here. False. Consecutive 3 A's are required.
And Amrita, what is this test?
We'll see that. We'll see that tomorrow. What is the test exactly? We'll see that tomorrow. There are the functions right here. If you see different function: text, exec, match, replace, search.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see that. Okay.
All this is type.
JavaScript. All these are the JavaScript, and that's why whenever you face the Angular interview, 80% JavaScript, 10% TypeScript, remaining 10% Angular. First interview, a language interview. Okay, now cat or dog, this alternations, how to do that? So here we can say const txt3 is equals to cat const regular expression 3 rg3 is equals to cat or dog. Well, this is the regular expression, needs to be written in the literal form. It is not a string, remember that. Console.log, here rg3 dot test with this given string. So you can test this with this string, test this on this string, right?
So that's why you are using RG3, RG2.
Correct.
Means the regular expressions variable.
Correct. Regular expressions variable. You just test this regular expression on this string. Test this regular expression on this string. Test this regular expression on this string. Right? And see, it is containing cat or dog. So here you write something like this, it would be, sorry, false. Okay.
So internally, I mean, this RG3 is a string or something. What is the type of this?
No, it's a something different. If you go here, can you see it's the type is regular expression rg. The type is regexp internally.
That's why this test function is occurring.
Yeah,
If
it's
you try with txt3, then it won't be.
correct, because this is a dedicated class, right? Okay.
I was thinking why not. So, I mean, in the text 3, search RG3, reverse way.
Actually,
Yeah, got it now. This is test function is this regular.
yeah, actually you'll get to know this thing in much better way tomorrow. But it is something like this.
And
Right.
Similarly, for you give me the example of right email ID. So in that case also, like cat and dog, you can mention at the end.
We'll see that. There is one example.
Mm-hmm.
Fine then. So this is about what we can say a basics of regular expression. Tomorrow we will see actual implementation and few more methods about TS, about regex.
Please update the readme.
Update what?
Readme.md.
Yeah, okay. Regular expressions. So this is a part of the string only. Okay.
You can write string functions as well.
String functions. And so date and math we didn't cover. Let's remove it. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm
Thank
stopping
you.
the recording.
Yeah. So Aniruddha,